10 types of apps one should avoid to install in mobile. Untrusted or unknown apps. Apps that come from unknown sources or are not verified by Google Play or Apple App Store should be avoided as they may contain malicious code or viruses that can harm your device. Flashlight apps. Many flashlight apps require excessive permissions that can compromise your privacy, such as access to your camera or location data. Antivirus apps. Antivirus apps can be useful, but many of them are just malware in disguise. Stick to trusted antivirus programs from reputable companies. Free VPN apps. While free VPN apps may seem like a great way to protect your privacy, many of them have been known to sell user data to third parties, defeating the purpose of using a VPN in the first place. Battery saver apps. Battery saver apps may claim to optimize your device's battery life, but they often do more harm than good by using up more battery than they save. Fake social media apps. Fake social media apps may look legitimate, but they can be used to steal your login credentials and personal information. Fake payment apps. Fake payment apps may look like legitimate banking apps, but they are designed to steal your credit card information and other sensitive data. Apps that ask for excessive permissions. Be wary of apps that ask for excessive permissions, such as access to your contacts, location, or camera. Always read the app's permissions carefully before installing it. Phone booster apps. Phone booster apps claim to speed up your device, but in reality, they often slow it down and use up more resources. Apps that require root access. Apps that require root access to your device can compromise its security and stability, so it's best to avoid them.